We're doing dates with butter and cream cheese. Now, this is one of the easiest appetizers and snacks you can make for yourself or for guests. This is also out of the Fresh Out the Book series. And now let's get on to the dates. Now, you do want to pick pitted dates because the seeds are removed, but always be careful and check to make sure there's no seeds in it. When you bite it, you can't break your teeth. Now, I'm just showing you the difference between the coloration in the dates, and my mom always said the darker the date, the sweeter it is. When prepping your butter and cream cheese, it's always good to put it in the fridge so it's a little bit harder and firmer to work with, especially the butter, so you can control it and cut it into nice cubes. This is me just cutting it into cubes for you. And then don't forget to have toothpicks on hand so that it's sanitary for people to pick up the snack. Once you place all the dates onto the plate for presentation, just add a little square of butter. Now, once the butter is added on, I do usually hit it with a little bit of pink salt. You prep the cream cheese the exact same way that you prep the butter, into little cubes, and then place them on top of the dates. Now, once that is done and presentation is good, you're going to add a little bit of pink Himalayan salt to the top of each of the butter on the dates to give it that nice sweet and salty taste. To step up the game on the cream cheese, you would get a spiced maple pear fig balsamic vinegar by Savory, and it is to die for.
And don't forget to grab yourself a copy of Dr. Wallach's Cooking Without the Bad Foods. It is a traditional cookbook that has been rewritten without the bad foods, especially gluten and no oil. It is 300 pages jammed with recipes and a great textbook to follow.
I'm very excited to announce my newest book, Everything the Government Does is Bad for Us. And you can get the paperback on Amazon for just $9.99. And you can find the video read-along version or the audiobook on my website, noticebooks.org. And definitely check out my newest book, Fake Diseases. It covers all of the major topics that come up, like birth defects, blood sugar problems, bone and joint problems, cancer, autoimmune problems, and more. And it's on Amazon for just $9.99. And the audiobook read-along version is free here on YouTube, and the link for that is in the description of this video.